Welcome to Beautyistic, where we make beauty simple and accessible. If you're someone who loves a good mani but dreads the long salon visits or dealing with messy glues and sticky situations, then this one is for you. Today we're talking about Kiss imPRESS Press-On Manicure Nails in Red Velvet, a super quick no glue, no fuss solution to flawless nails at home. Kiss imPRESS Press-On Nails are designed to give you that professional, salon-quality manicure without the hassle. These are ready-to-wear, one-step press-on nails that promise long-lasting wear thanks to a new and improved adhesive. The set comes with 30 nails in a stunning red velvet shade, which is bold but versatile enough for everyday wear. No glue is needed, and they're all about simplicity with a seamless, natural look. Now let's dive into the nitty-gritty of how these nails really perform in real life. From the moment I pulled them out of the package, I could tell they were different from typical press-on nails. The PureFit Technology made them super slim and comfortable, so it didn't feel like I was wearing bulky fake nails. The adhesive, it's solid. These babies stayed put for days without lifting or peeling at the edges, even with my everyday activities. The application process is as easy as it gets. You don't need to be a nail expert to apply these. Just clean your nails with the prep pad, gently push the press-on nails onto your natural nails, and voila! It took me literally 5 minutes to apply all 10 nails. The best part? They looked and felt natural, almost like a gel manicure, without the need for any polish or curing time. No bling, no accents, just rich, solid color. But let's talk about the real pros and cons. First, the pros. The nails are lightweight and comfortable, and the fit is impressive. The adhesive holds up well. These nails aren't going anywhere unless you want them to. I love the red velvet shade because it's rich and perfect for almost any occasion. Plus, the nails are very easy to remove when you're ready to switch it up. And the included manicure stick, file, and prep pad make the process even more convenient. On the flip side, the only con I'd mention is that the sizing could be a bit tricky for those with very small or very large nail beds. It comes with 30 nails, but finding the right size for each finger might require a bit of trial and error. Also, while they last pretty long, I did notice that after about a week, the edges started to show some wear, but that's to be expected with press-ons. As for value for money, these are a steal. Considering you're getting a set with everything you need for a DIY, salon-quality manicure at home, it's a pretty affordable option, especially when compared to regular salon visits or gel manis. The price is justified. When comparing to similar products, Kiss imPRESS stands out in its category for ease of use and comfort. Other brands may offer press-on nails, but the unique adhesive and PureFit technology of these nails make them stand out for people who prioritize comfort and longevity. Sure, there are other options in the same price range, but none that provide the seamless fit like this one. Now, about build quality. These nails are sturdy, and the packaging is compact and practical. No flimsy, cheap materials here. As for longevity, if you're gentle, you can definitely wear them for a week or more without worrying about them budging. So, would I recommend these nails? Absolutely. If you're looking for a quick, affordable way to get a manicure that looks and feels natural, this is a great pick. Perfect for anyone who's always on the go or just doesn't want to deal with the mess of glue and polish. If you think this review is helpful, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on more honest reviews like this one. Your support really helps us continue making content like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've already tried these Kiss imPRESS nails, let us know how they worked for you in the comments below. I love hearing your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.